The best car insurance company is May 2020. You want good service from an auto insurance company and you don't want to overpay to help you find the best car insurance companies. We evaluated 15 large insurers were secured companies based on three categories: auto insurance rate, customer happiness, tech fundamental. Within the category the tech fundamentals we look and future we believe auto insurance companies should have in 2021. Digital auto insurance ID card available from mobile app, usage based insurance or pay per mile plan or virtual insurance claim that don't require in person's instruction. Compare car insurance rate. The best car insurance companies. More about the best car insurance companies. In addition, for the factor used in our evaluations, the top auto insurance companies in our ranking have deep offering of coverage choose in discount. American Family Auto Insurance. American Family Insurance sells insurance for cars, classic cars, RVs, ATVs, snowmobiles, and boats. For those who enjoy heading out on the road. On two wheels, American Family Insurance also sells motorcycle insurance. Optional coverage type include roadside emergency assistance, rental reimbursement, unregistered motorist coverage, underinsured motorist coverage for driver worried about rate increase after an accident. American Family offer accident forgive you and purchase this coverage if you had no at fault accident or violations in the last 12 months and no more than one at fault accident in the last 3 years, or you can earn accident forgiveness if you have not had any at fault accidents in the last 5 years. For drivers who have a car loan or lease, American Family sells gap insurance will collision and comprehensive insurance. Only pay the actual value of your car if it totaled. This form of coverage will help pay the difference gap between the value of the car and what you on your loan or lease. American Family Insurance uses based auto insurance. American Family sells or uses based auto insurance policy called Now You Drive, which monitors and secures your driving habits. You will get small discount just for singing up. You can earn up to 20% discount after you complete the program based on your safe habit. American Family Car Insurance Discount. American Family Insurance offers several discount especially for drivers who practice safe driving habits. If you have a young driver in your family, look for discount for young volunteer and good student. Other American people discount include multi bicycle discount, quality of reduced rate if you are insured to more bicycle to same policy, loyalty discount, customer who have been insurance with American Family for a certain number of years may be rewarded with a price break. Yearly bird discount if you're with another insurance provided and get an auto insurance quotes from American Family Insurance 7 days before the policy goes into effect. Your could get a discount. Multi product discount, a reduced rate for those who bundle home and auto insurance policies steer into saving discount. If you switch to American Family Insurance after having a policy with a competitor, you could get a discount. Auto safety equipment discount. Feature like factory installed airbags and other safety features can get you a reduced rate. Defensive driver discount. If you are age 55 or older, earn a discount for taking a defensive driving course. Good driving discount. If you have maintained clean driving reduce with no traffic violation accident or claim, you could be rewarded with a discount.